Hey, it's Adalia Sosanya, and I am back continuing our four-part series of Buying Your Home in 2026. This is part three, where we are discussing all about the money, right? How can you secure funding and look at all of the options available to you to be able to purchase your home with low cost, and in some cases, no money down. So let's get into it. I'm going to start with the 5 things that have been helpful that I have used to help my clients be able to secure their homes and to move forward on purchasing their homes with very little cost down. These are very simple and practical ways and options that are available in this current market. So make sure you stay tuned until the very end, where I share my number one, my very favorite option to be able to use funding to be able to purchase your home. So let's get into it. Number 5, low down payment loan programs such as FHA, USDA, and VA are very affordable options for many buyers entering into this market to secure funding using those options. Most people think you need 20% down to buy a home. Not everyone needs that. FHA allows buyers to purchase a home with 3.5% down. It is a government-backed loan, so it is insured, so you are able to qualify even if you have low credit score options. If you are a first-time buyer, a lot of people find that the terms available using an FHA loan are very easy for many buyers. So that is one excellent program loan option for you to use. Another one is going to be USDA, where it offers zero down. So this is a sweet option for loan buyers if you are purchasing in a rural development area or semi-rural area where there's like a lot of farmland. This is actually backed by the USDA, a governmental agricultural loan. So a lot of people may not be aware of it, but it is an excellent option, and it mimics the VA loan option where you have zero cost down to buy a home. So if you serve or are retired military and or active reserve, you can use your VA veteran benefits where there is zero cost, zero down payment to use to purchase your home. So make sure you're checking out and asking and looking into these loan options to get into a home with zero cost or low cost down. Next up on our list, number 4, we're going to talk about gift funds. So this is a season now where people are getting married. A lot of people probably got engaged over Valentine's Day or the holidays. So instead of using a gift registry, you can actually opt in and ask your guests and family to be able to put money towards your down payment. And this is a legally binding thing, legally purchasing a home legally using funds from relatives and friends. I've seen this cover full down payment options, and it's an excellent opportunity to look into getting gift funds to be able to purchase your home. Number 3 on our list, we're going to talk about builder credits. So if you're looking into purchasing a new construction home, many builders will offer credits towards that purchase, and it can go towards your closing costs. You can use it even to make certain upgrades within the home. You do have to use, and a lot of times they're preferred lenders, so make sure you understand what those terms are, as well as in some cases you can save a lot more on the interest rate. They can use those rates to buy down points on those on the loan for you. So there's quite a bit of flexibility if you're considering the new construction route, looking at some builder credit options. All right, number 2 on our list, we're going to talk about grant funds and down payment assistance, right? There are a lot of programs. There are city, state, and even tribal programs. We live here in Oklahoma, so we're on native land, and there are funds that you can use to be able to purchase your home. It's free money in a lot of cases. You don't have to pay that back. Sometimes there are terms and conditions of how long you have to remain in the home, but making sure you understand what that is. Again, it can save you tens of thousands of dollars if you're using grants and down payment assistance. And many people don't even know they exist. So make sure you're talking to your real estate professionals, your lenders, and getting those options available on using those funds. All right, well, we've made it to the very end. If you're still tuning in, you may be wondering what my favorite is, and number 1 on our list to be able to secure funding and getting your home with low cost or no money down. All right, number 1 is going to be seller credits, right? That's my favorite strategy. because you can negotiate from the seller to pay your closing costs or by your interest rate down, less cash out of pocket, and that's lower. It's going to lower your monthly payment. In some cases, you can even use those funds to negotiate things on the repairs. You can use it to purchase the home warranty. There's just tons of flexibility that you can have when you have seller credits negotiated. And you just have to make sure it's clear in the terms in the contract how those funds will be used. But it is absolutely one of my favorite strategies to help people secure their homes is to use seller credits to purchase. And in many cases, you can use all of these options sometimes in one deal. Yes, that's right. All 5 of these strategies can be applied. It just really depends on your situation, the scenario, and the way it's set up. But it's absolutely possible to be able to do this. So I just want to make sure you guys know. I hope you found this information valuable. Again, my name is Adalia Sosanya. I'm licensed to sell real estate here in the state of Oklahoma. And tune in to the next episode where we'll give you another strategy and ways that you can purchase your home in 2026. Be sure to like, subscribe, share this video. I look forward to seeing you in the next one. Thank you.